Hello children, in this video we are going to study mathematics chapter number 3, how many squares, page number 44. Now children, here is a rectangle of area 20 square centimeter. If you count the square in this, the area of this rectangle is 20 square centimeter. Now children, they are telling you to draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide it into two equal triangles. Now you have to tell what is the area of each of the triangles. So let's draw a straight line in this rectangle to divide it into two equal triangles. Now see children, if I draw like this, I will have two triangles. Now you have to tell me what is the area of each triangle. Now children, here the area of a rectangle is 20 square centimeter, and if you, now two triangles I have drawn in this, if you divide it by 2, you will have here answer 10 square centimeter. Half of 20 is 10 square centimeter. Now children, B question is, draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide it into two equal rectangles. What is the area of each of the smaller rectangles? So let's draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide it into two equal rectangles. Now see children, I have drawn one line here to divide this into two equal rectangles. Now here I have two equal rectangles, and what is the area of each of the smaller rectangles now? It is 10 square centimeter. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Area of each of the smaller rectangles will be 10 square centimeter, and if you count the squares at this side, it will be 10 square centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now children, they are telling you to draw two straight lines in this rectangle to divide it into one rectangle and two equal triangles. Now see children, here I have drawn one straight line. Now here again I will draw one straight line to have two. Here this side I have rectangle and this side I have two equal triangles. Understood children now? Now they are asking you what is the area of a rectangle. If you count the area of this rectangle, it will be 10 square centimeter. And what is the area of each of the triangles now? As this triangle is dividing this rectangle into two equal halves, its area will be 5 square centimeter. Understood children this question? Now children, the next question is puzzles with 5 square. Measure the side of the small squares on the squared paper on page number 45. Make as many shapes as possible using 5 such squares. 3 are drawn for you. Now children, you have to make different shape of area 5 square centimeter. Now see here, if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 square centimeter area is now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again the area is of 5 square centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now these three shapes they have given you already. Now they are telling you to make as many shapes as possible. So let's do it children. Now see children, these are the different shapes that I have drawn using 5 squares. Now see children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In each figure, I have 5 squares in it. Now children, they are telling you how many different shapes can you draw. Now here I have drawn 12 different shapes are seen here. Isn't it children? 1, 2, 3 were drawn earlier and the rest 9 I have made. Now children, the next question is, which shape has the longest perimeter and how much centimeter? Now children, perimeter means what? Perimeter is the length of boundary. Now see children, if you count the length of boundary in each and every figure, you will find that it is 12 centimeter. Now see, let's count the perimeter of this third number figure. Now see children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The The perimeter of this is 12 centimeter. Now let's count this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Again this is 12 centimeter. And now if you count the perimeter of this first figure, you will see it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Again this is 12 centimeter. It means, children, here the perimeter of each and every figure is 12 centimeter. Okay children, now they are telling you which shape has the shortest perimeter and how much. Only out of these figure, only this fourth number figure has the shortest perimeter. So here we will write which shape has the shortest perimeter. Fourth shape has the shortest perimeter, and how much it is. Now let's count, children. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. It is 10 centimeter. Only the shape 4 has the shortest perimeter, and all other shape has the longest perimeter. And how much is the perimeter of this fourth shape? It is 10 centimeter. Now children, they are asking you what is the area of the shapes. Of course, it is 5 square centimeter, isn't it? Because each and every figure has 5 square in it. Okay children. Now children, in the next video we are going to see page number 46.